With the advancement of technology, the manufacturing industry is facing challenges of labor shortages and difficulties in professional skill training. In such a situation, laser welding technology provides a highly efficient and easy-to-learn solution for modern manufacturing. Laser welding machines allow inexperienced operators to quickly get started in a short amount of time, significantly reducing the time and cost of technical training. Through simple machine operation and parameter setting, even novices can quickly start production. Laser welding provides high-quality welding results, not only improving the appearance quality of products but also ensuring welding strength and durability. Compared to traditional welding techniques, laser welding has a higher production efficiency. This helps increase the production speed of products, meet market demands, and reduce production costs. The TAMC series offers 3 wattage options, 1500 watts, 2000 watts, and 3000 watts to adapt to different application requirements. Models of 2000 watts and above come standard with a dual welding rod feeding system, capable of meeting higher filler requirements and better welding strength. Suitable for various materials and industries, such as metal processing, automotive manufacturing, electronic components, etc. To learn more about TAMC laser welding machines, please feel free to contact us. Our professional team will provide you with detailed product introductions and expert technical support to help you choose the most suitable laser welding machine for your needs.